Hi friends, welcome back to Super Light Foods. Today let's make attractive donut. Most of the time children loves them. This isn't so hard. We can make it quickly. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 250 gram flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, 2 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon milk powder, then mix well. After mixing, add 1 egg yolk. Mix well, then little by little add warm milk or warm water. Better choice warm milk to make the dough. This recipe is very easy to make as well as can be made by teenagers like us. After making the dough, then add 2 tablespoons of butter to make the dough soft and then knead well, then only the dough will get more soft. Now cut it and make 12 balls and keep it for a half an hour. Next step, roll it and make a hole in middle. Now heat the oil in the pan and start frying. Fry till the color changes to golden brown. Now make a chocolate syrup. I will share this chocolate garnish recipe in another video. Okay, now dip the donut in the chocolate ganache. Try it at home in the weekends and whenever you are free. Your kids gonna love this donut recipe. Arrange it in a plate and sprinkle some choco chips or sprinkles. Now your donut is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. For more simple, unique and interesting recipes, subscribe to Super Life Foods and make sure that you like, share and comment for more recipes.